Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to write a hook that handle your progressive image loading in React for you. What is progressive image loading? Progressive image loading, at least in this context, is loading a low resolution version of image first, while loading the high resolution version in the background. Once the high resolution version is loaded, the images are swapped. So I want to give some examples. While high resolution image is loading, you can see the low resolution image. But once the high resolution version is loaded, the image are swapped, something like that. So let's get implemented in React, and I'm gonna just give you some examples for it. So let's get started. First of all, we need to create a new file and just start to write a hook. So let's get to create a file. I wanna name it like useProgressiveImage, really descriptive. And inside of it, we need to write our useProgressiveImage function. useProgressiveImage. Just write it down. And so now we need to just implement it in our application as hook. We're going to pass src prop and fallback src prop. src and fallback src prop. It will return the best available image RCC already loaded or null if neither has loaded yet. By default, I need to return just null. This is going to run on every render thaw, which is going to trigger a ton of useless network requests. Instead of it, let's put it inside of useEffect hook and only run it when the SRC or fallback SRC prop changes. So I need to import use effect hook and just to make some like that, just wrap it down use effect, just pass our function, and we need to invoke it after props src and fallback changes. Fallback src. So now we can continue to write our code. We need to keep track of which image has been loaded. We don't want our fallback to override our main image if that would load first due to cache or just coincidence. So we need to make sure to implement that. I'm going to keep track of this state with useReducer hook, which tapped the reducer function. I told you about useReducer hook in previous video. You must watch it. You have to watch it. This reducer function accepts the previous state and returns a new state depending on what kind of action we dispatch. I think I cannot tell you so much. I think code can tell you about concepts more that I can't tell you about it. So let's get to write our code about just returning our image src. So let's get started again. So let's import our useReducer hook and write a simple function that will return our src. Current src I need just make like a switch, but I think it might be more appropriate if I will use conditions. So you can make main image loaded. It's like action. You need to know about it if you want to use it. Action src, and if type is main image loading, we need to return main image RCC, and if current RCC is not loaded, we need to return action RCC. So then I need to return current RCC. Also, I need to create constant for a reducer. I need to use reducer. I need to pass our reducer, and we can get current src and dispatch. So we created our hook, and now we can continue to write our useProgressiveImage hook. So now we need to dispatch our actions if main image loaded or fallback image loading as well. So we need create function dispatch, not create, just invoke, type is main image loading, and src I need to pass src, and if fallback image loaded, we can just make fallback image loaded, and src we need to pass fallback src is our low resolution image. I need object, object, and we just can test it out. We can test it out. Firstly, we need to add our images, low resolution and high resolution images. So firstly, you need to return our current RCC and export function to use it in our project. And then I need to import it. Import as useProgressiveImage, and from useProgressiveImage, and then we can use it here. Current, so we just can current RCC, I think, or current image, and use it. Use progressive image, and we need to pass our src main image and fallback src the small resolution image. Here, small resolution image, really long URL, and I need to pass high resolution image as well as function as string. So we can test it out, just console log current image. We have something wrong. I just refresh the page and everything, it seems to work. I need to test it out, so let's get tested. And we need to open DevTool. Firstly, just disable our cache, refresh the page, and we will see that our low resolution image loading first, and then high resolution image is loading then after. You can see low resolution image firstly, and then you can see high resolution image. So it works great. And so let's get to make our recap and just to refresh our knowledge in our minds. Also, I forget to tell you about how to use in your code. You just can pass src attribute to your image and just use it. So what is progressive image loading? Progressive image loading is when your low resolution quality image loading first before your high resolution image loaded. But once high resolution image loaded, images are swapped. It means then high resolution image loaded. So it's simple. You need to try it out. Just toy with that. So have a good one. Take care. Have a great day again.